Hi, and welcome to this DE block focused on the value of doing audio feedback. Audio feedback can be an easy way of providing personalized information to your students in a Canvas class. Audio feedback can be basically used in any content area of your class. And let's right now jump onto a Canvas shell to see what it looks like as it's being used. So for this, I can go to an assignment, and I will actually then pull up something here. I'll click on Speed Grader. Then I'm hoping, I was looking if we had a test student on here. We sometimes do. There isn't a test student, so what I'm going to do is blur this out to protect the student's information. All I do is I click here on Add Comment, and as you can see, 3 options here. So let's go through the 3. One is choose a file. That can be, I believe, any file. I could have a PDF. I haven't tried doing it with a video file. You could also then record using your microphone. And so as you can see here, one of the things that happens is the microphone setting comes up. I can choose the default microphone. It will do a very basic audio VU meter in terms of your level. You can also choose your webcam, click Start Recording, and then eventually it will actually be an audio or a video file. And what I want to offer to you is you can use audio or video in the feedback. Even though this is called audio feedback, it's really up to you. But that's all you have to do. It's right there. And then I can also do speech to text. Let's see how this works real quick. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And I'm thinking here, it didn't actually work. I'm thinking probably the microphone here in B103 isn't set up, but that's actually pretty cool that they have the speech to text feature. So again, probably the button you'll want to interact with is that middle one that allows you either to do the audio or the video recording. And let's just jump back to our PowerPoint real quick. I suggest to you that the value of audio feedback is that you can use it to personalize, to show emotion and what we call affect in your interactions with students. For example, your grading comments. So as we looked here, maybe just the very fact of a student hearing your voice lends more credibility to that student listening to your advice that you're offering him or her in terms of that graded assignment. Here's a couple of tips for audio feedback. Consider using audio feedback if it makes sense for you, like with all the resources we're offering for you. Don't use it if it doesn't fit your personal style, expectations, or approaches as a faculty member. Consider a higher quality microphone if your camera or smart device microphone isn't producing the best quality audio. I am constantly experimenting with new recording devices and microphones and different setups. I can't tell you how much time I've spent on it. So a lot of time can be spent on it. You can also check out some of my other videos I've done in this regard to really get started about creating higher quality audio or even video. Consider using video to provide the additional visual cues in your communication with students. So again, if you go back to the Canvas shell, as we looked there, when you want to add your audio feedback, you can choose video or audio in that little middle box that we checked out. At this point, please continue to your next block.